Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do image search on Android phone. So there are two ways to do this on Android phone. The first way is you can just use the Google Lens. So in here, just find the Google Lens app on your phone, this one, and it will be open like this. Then you can just search or use the image. For example, I want to find this ones right here. So when you click on the image, the Google Lens will find the visual matches with the image that you choose like this. So that's the first way. And the second way, you can open your browser, your Google Chrome on your Android, and in here just click on the camera icon, and after that you will also be directed to the Google Lens, and you can just do the exact same steps that I show you before. To just choose an image, and Google Lens will do its magic by doing the visual matches. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, thanks, subscribe, and also comment if you have any question. Bye.